472, ready to taxi to runway 7 with information Bravo.
Lufthansa 472, taxi to runway 7, contact tower when ready.
Taxi to runway 7, Lufthansa 472.
Avianca 894, say intentions. Monsignor Oscar ground, Avianca 894, ready to taxi to runway 7 with information Bravo. Avianca 894, taxi to runway 7, contact tower when ready. Taxi to runway 7, Avianca 894.
Lufthansa 472, request frequency change.
Lufthansa 472, please check the user guide from the home screen for help using ATC instructions. Lufthansa 472, you were already...
Monsignor Oscar ground, Copa 884, ready for pushback with information Bravo.
Copa 884, pushback approved, tail to the east, expect runway 7.
Pushback approved, tail to the east, runway 7, Copa 884.
Flight attendants, arm doors for departure.
This is your captain speaking. I would like to welcome you on board on behalf of all the crew. Our flight time will be about 1 hour and 40 minutes and we will be flying at a cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. Thank you for choosing to fly with us and we hope you enjoy your flight.
Bienvenidos a bordo.
Welcome aboard.
Agradecemos su atención durante la demostración de las medidas de seguridad de esta aeronave.
We appreciate your complete attention during the demonstration of the safety procedures aboard this aircraft.
Al iluminarse la señal del cinturón de seguridad, abróchelo insertando la punta de
Monsignor Oscar ground, Indonesia 02 heavy, ready for pushback, requesting runway 7.
Indonesia 02 heavy, pushback approved, tail to the east, expect runway 7.
Pushback approved, tail to the east, runway 7, Indonesia 02 heavy.
Esté sentado o durmiendo.
We request that you keep your seatbelt fastened while you are seated or sleeping.
Las 6 salidas de emergencia en este 737-700 están marcadas con señales de color rojo y blanco.
The 6 emergency exits on the 737-700 are marked with red and white signs.
Localice las dos salidas más cercanas a usted.
Please locate the two exits nearest you.
Considere que la más cercana puede estar detrás suyo.
Keep in mind that the nearest exit may be
Ronson Alaska Ground.
Las
Request
puertas
taxi to
están equipadas
parking.
con toboganes de evacuación que pueden desprenderse y usarse como flotadores.
Taxi to parking, at your discretion.
removed and used as flotation devices.
Si
Taxi
es
to
necesaria
parking.
la evacuación y la visibilidad en la cabina es reducida, las luces del pasillo y las señales de salida se iluminarán.
If an evacuation is necessary and cabin visibility is reduced, aisle path lighting will illuminate.
En caso de una disminución repentina de presión en la cabina, máscaras de oxígeno caerán del compartimiento superior de su asiento.
If a sudden decrease in cabin pressure occurs, oxygen masks will drop automatically from the compartment above your seat.
Tire de la máscara hacia usted para activar la circulación de oxígeno.
Pull the mask toward you to start the flow of oxygen.
Colóquela sobre su nariz y boca, ajústela con la cinta elástica alrededor de la cabeza y respire normalmente.
Place the mask
Aunque fluya el oxígeno, la bolsa de
Over 884, stay in tension.
first before assisting others.
Los chalecos salvavidas se encuentran debajo o entre los asientos.
Ronson Alaska Ground.
Lifevests are
Copa
located
884.
under or
Ready to
between
taxi
the
with...
seats.
Pase
Over
el chaleco
884,
salvavidas
taxi to
sobre su
runway
cabeza
7.
y
Contact
abróchela
tower when
correa
ready.
alrededor de su cintura.
Put the
Taxi
life
to
vest
runway
over your
7,
head.
Copa
Pass the
884.
strap around your waist and attach the buckle.
Ajuste la correa a su cintura tirando del extremo de la cinta.
Tighten the waist by pulling on the loose end of the strap.
Al salir del avión, infle el chaleco tirando fuertemente de la manilla roja o soplando por el tubo rojo. Con el agua.
The vest emergency light will illuminate upon contact with the water.
Copa no permite fumar en sus aviones.
Smoking is not permitted on board Copa aircraft.
Los baños están equipados con detectores de humo.
Lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors.
Regulaciones nacionales e internacionales prohíben tocar, desconectar o destruir estos sistemas.
National and international regulations prohibit disabling or destroying these systems.
Algunos aparatos electrónicos portátiles están prohibidos a bordo. Usted puede encontrar una lista completa de todos los aparatos aprobados en la revista que está ubicada en el bolsillo frente a usted.
Some portable electronic devices are not permitted aboard this aircraft. You can find a complete list of all approved devices in the magazine in the pocket in front of you.
Ya estamos a punto de despegar.
Monsonorosca Ground, Ukraine International 505, ready for pushback with information Bravo, requesting runway 7. Ukraine International 505, hold position.
Under the seat in front of
Ronson Alaska Ground. Indonesia 02 Heavy. Ready to taxi.
Holding position, Ukraine International 505.
right positions.
Taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Ronson Alaska Ground. Copa 166. Ready for pushback with information Bravo.
Located in the pocket
Taxi
in
to
front.
parking.
Estamos
Indonesia 02 Heavy, give way to aircraft on your
de
left.
todos nuestros
Give way
vuelos.
to aircraft.
We are
Indonesia
committed
02
to
Heavy.
ensuring your safety
Continue
and
taxi.
comfort during all of our flights.
Gracias por su atención y por preferir Copa Airlines.
Thank you for your attention and for flying Copa Airlines.
Copa 166, hold position.
Holding position. Copa 166. Ronson Alaska Ground. Request taxi to gate 19 at the main terminal.
Taxi to runway 7, contact tower when ready. Taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxi to parking.
Ukraine International 505, pushback approved, tail to the east, expect runway 7. Pushback approved, tail to the east, runway 7, Ukraine International 505.
Stand by. Indonesia 02 Heavy.
Copa 166, pushback approved, tail to the east, expect runway 7.
Pushback approved. Tail to the east. Runway 7. Copa 166.
Flaps 5 degrees.
Hold position.
Holding position. Monsignor Oscar Tower, Copa 884, ready for departure at runway 7, departing south.
Copa 884, wind 020 at 4, runway 7, cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 7, Copa 884. Approaching runway 07. Entered runway 07.
Attention all aircraft. Status information Charlie is now current.
.100 knots. V1, rotate. V2. Positive rate. Gear up.
Copa 884, frequency change approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved Copa 884. Good day.
Flaps 2 degrees.
Etihad 021 Super, when able turn left. Contact ground on the taxiway.
Wilco, Etihad 021 Super.
Flaps 1 degree. Flaps up. Let's watch our speed, Captain.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign has been switched off. However, for your safety we recommend you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened in case of any unexpected turbulence.
Avianca 972, turn left heading 200. Turn left heading 200, Avianca 972. Copa 884, requesting ILS approach runway 3 right at Tocumen International. Echo Charlie Air 1793, turn left heading 280. Turn left heading 280, Echo Charlie Air 1793. Copa 887, reduce speed to 210 knots. Reduce speed to 210 knots, Copa 887. Air France 490 Heavy, contact Tocumen Tower on 118.1. Contacting Tocumen Tower on 118.1, Air France 490 Heavy. Avianca 972, reduce speed to 180 knots. Copa 887, turn left heading 200. Copa 884, descend and maintain 5,000.
Roger.
Descend and maintain 5,000, Copa 884. Airbus 6468 is 6 nautical miles southwest of Panama at 8,400 feet, requesting GPS approach runway 3 right at Tocumen International. Panama approach, Qatar Cargo 187 Heavy, with you at 15,200. Copa 887, turn right heading 360, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 3 right approach. Avianca 894, you're in an active airspace, please contact Panama approach on 123.3. Turn right heading 360, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 3 right, Copa 887.
Panama approach, Avianca 894, with you at 10,000.
French B325 Heavy, you're in an active airspace. Please contact Panama approach on 123.3. Avianca 894, radar contact. Say approach request. Lufthansa 472, requesting descent to 2000. Lufthansa 472, descend and maintain 3000. French B325 Heavy is 13 nautical miles southwest of El Porvenir at 13,900 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 3 right at Tocumen International. Descend and maintain 3000, Lufthansa 472. French B325 Heavy, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 3 right at Tocumen International.
Avianca 894 is 28 nautical miles southwest of Enrique Adolfo at 9,900 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 3 right at Tocumen International.
Qatar Cargo 187 Heavy, hold present position at 10,000, left turn, do not exceed 230 knots. Copa 887, hold present position at 13,000, left turn, do not exceed 230 knots. Copa 887, contact Tocumen Tower on 118.1. Contacting Tocumen Tower on 118.1, Copa 887. Copa 210 is 21 nautical. Copa 884, descend and maintain 4,000. Descend and maintain 4,000, Copa 884. Contact Tocumen Tower on 118.1. Contacting Tocumen Tower on 118.1, Lufthansa 472. Iberia 258 Heavy is 3 nautical miles northeast of Tocumen International at 2,000 feet, requesting flight following to Adolfo Suarez. Ukraine International 505, reduce speed to 220 knots.
Reduce speed to 220 knots, Ukraine International 505.
Air Canada 6593, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, Air Canada 6593.
Copa 210,
Flaps
descend
2
and maintain
degrees.
4,000. Descend and maintain 4,000, Copa 210. Copa 210, reduce speed to 200 knots.
Copa 438 is 1 nautical miles west of Haim at 12,600 feet, requesting radar vectors to Tocumen International.
Reduce speed to 200 knots, Copa 210. Copa 438,
Flaps
continue
5
file.
degrees.
Expect the ILS approach runway 3 right at Tocumen International.
Roger, Copa 438.
Copa 210, turn right heading 050, maintain 4000. Turn right heading 050, maintain 4000, Copa 210. French B325 heavy, turn left heading 200, descend and maintain 4000. Air Canada 6593, turn left heading 200, descend and maintain 5000. Turn left heading 200, descend and maintain 4000, French B325 heavy.
Turn left heading 200, descend and maintain 5000, Air Canada 6593.
Copa 146 Yankee Lima, continuous file. Copa 884, descend and maintain 2500, maintain 2500 until established on the localizer, cleared descend and maintain 2500, maintain 2500 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 3 right, Copa 884. Descend and maintain 3000, Copa 210. Aviation 894, descend and maintain 3000. Ukraine International 505, descend and maintain 4000.
Descend and maintain 3000, Aviation 894. Descend and maintain 4000, Ukraine International 505.
French B325 heavy, reduce speed to 180 knots. Copa 438, descend and maintain 6000. Reduce speed to 180 knots. French B325 heavy.
Descend and maintain 6000, Copa 438.
Copa 210, reduce speed to 180 knots. Reduce speed to 180 knots, Copa 210. Copa 210, turn right heading 070. Turn right heading 070, Copa 210. Aviation 894, turn right heading 120, descend and maintain 3000. Copa 438, reduce speed to 200 knots.
Turn right heading 120, descend and maintain 3000, Aviation 894.
Copa 210, turn left heading 310.
Reduce speed to 200 knots,
Flaps 10
Copa
degrees.
438.
Turn left heading 310, Copa 210. French B325 heavy, turn right heading 260, descend and maintain 3000. Turn right heading 260, descend and maintain 3000, French B325 heavy. Ukraine International 505, turn right heading 140, descend and maintain 4000.
Turn right heading 140, descend and maintain 4000, Ukraine International 505.
French B325 heavy, turn right heading 270. Turn right heading 270, French B325 heavy. Copa 438, turn right heading 080, descend and maintain 6000.
Turn right heading 080, descend and maintain 6000, Copa 438.
Flaps 15 degrees.
Ukraine International 505, reduce speed to
Flaps
200
25
knots.
degrees.
Copa 210, turn right heading 360, descend and maintain 2500, maintain 2500 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 3 right approach.
Reduce speed to 200 knots, Ukraine International 505.
Aviation 894, turn right heading 150. Copa 884, contact Tocumen Tower on 118.1. Contacting Tocumen Tower on 118.1, Copa 884. Cleared for takeoff, runway 3 right, Cafe 6. Tocumen Tower, Copa 884, inbound on the ILS runway 3 right. Tocumen Tower, November 21 Tango, ready for departure at runway 3 left, departing north.
Copa 884, wind calm, number 1, runway 3 right, cleared to land.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 3 right, Copa 884. Lufthansa 472, request frequency change.
Gear down.
Copa 210, maintain slowest practical speed.
Maintain slowest practical speed, Copa 210.
Victor Tango India Foxtrot Hotel. Frequency change approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved Victor Tango India Foxtrot Hotel. Good day.
Cathay 67 Heavy. Frequency change approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved Cathay 67 Heavy. Good day.
November 21 Tango. Wind calm. Runway 3 left. Cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 3 left. November 21 Tango. Thank you. Good day. November 21 Tango. Copa 210 is on final runway 3 route.
Copa 210. Wind calm. Number 2. Runway 3 right. Cleared to land.
Tocumen Tower, Delta 820, ready for departure at runway 3 left, departing north. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 3 right, Copa 210.
Delta 820. Line up and wait runway 3 left.
Line up and wait runway 3 left, Delta 820.
500. 400.
Tocumen Tower, Golf Juliet Oscar Sierra Hotel, ready for departure at runway 3 left, departing west. Tocumen Tower, French B325 Heavy is 10 nautical miles to the southwest of 2,500 feet, inbound for landing.
Golf Juliet Oscar Sierra Hotel. Line up and wait runway 3 left.
Line up and wait runway 3 left, Golf Juliet Oscar Sierra Hotel. Tocumen Tower, Victor Tango Alpha Lima Tango Super, ready for departure at runway 3 left, departing north.
En ese momento revise el área de su asiento y sus bolsillos por sus artículos personales. Toma precauciones al abrir los compartimientos superiores ya que el contenido se ha podido desplazar.
Flaps up.
Victor Tango Alpha Lima Tango Super. Hold short of runway 3 left.
Holding short runway 3 left, Victor Tango Alpha Lima Tango Super.
French B325 Heavy. Wind calm. Number 2. Runway 3 right. Cleared to land.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 3 right, French B325 Heavy.
Gracias por preferir Copa Airlines, miembro de la red Star Alliance.
Tocumen Tower. Avianca 894. Inbound on the ILS runway 3 right. Delta 820. Wind calm. Runway 3 left. Cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 3 left, Delta 820. November 21 Tango, request frequency change.
Avianca 894. Wind calm. Number 3. Runway 3 right. Cleared to land. Number 3. Cleared to land. Runway 3 right. Avianca 894. Tocumen Tower, Ukraine International 505 is 12 nautical miles to the southwest at 3,100 feet. Inbound for landing with information Sierra. Requesting runway 3 right. Ukraine International 505. Wind calm. Number 4. Runway 3 right. Cleared to land.
Tocumen ground, Copa 884, request taxi to gate 203 at the Terminal 2.
Taxiing to runway 3 left via Lima, Golf, Cathay 69. Ukraine International 505, request taxi to parking.
Pushback approved. Tail to the north. Copa 48.
Tocumen ground. Copa 08, ready for pushback with information Sierra, requesting runway 3 right. Copa 08, pushback approved, tail to the north. Ukraine International 505, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Pushback approved, tail to the north. Copa 08. Taxi to parking, Ukraine International 505.
Tocumen ground, Turkish 801, ready to taxi to runway 3 left with information Sierra.
Turkish 801, runway 3 left, taxi via Lima, Juliet, Golf. Contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 3 left via Lima, Juliet, Golf, Turkish 801.
Copa 438, you're on an active airport. Please contact Tocumen ground on 121.9. Tocumen ground, Copa 438, request taxi to parking.